Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi, and today I am going to show you how to make a fortune teller program app. So first you need to open your Scratch window and rename your project or type a name to your project, and it is fortune. Yes. So I have typed the name Fortune Teller app. You can type Fortune Teller program also. Okay, so now let's start with the app. So first go in events block and take when flag clicked. Then go in sensing blocks and take ask what's your name, and instead of ask what's your name, you need to type enter your favorite number. Yes, I have typed enter your favorite number, and then you just need to go in variables block and make a variable called number. Okay, now you need to go nowhere. You need to come here and number and go in sensing blocks and take answer. Yes. Now I will just go in control block and take this condition. Okay, and then I will go in operators block and use is equals to. Then I will go in variables block and drag this number in the first one and over here type 1. If this number variable is equals to 1, if we type 1, then what should happen? Then you need to go in looks block and you can take this one and you can type whatever you want to. I am typing in first I can type you are a boring person. You can type anything else. Yeah, I have typed it, you are a boring person. Now you just need to duplicate these blocks or you can copy paste this. However, I am copying and pasting it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. And I will copy paste it one more time. Yes. Now I just need to change the numbers over here 2, over here 3, over here 4, over here 5, and over here 6. Okay, and now what I have to do is I need to change all the text for here. You can type any text. I am typing the text that I want to. So in the second one I am typing you are very lucky. Yes, so I have typed a different thing that it has to say me when I am playing this game or whatever you want to say. So let me test this app now. So I will click on flag and then it is asking me enter your favorite number. So from 1 to 6. Okay, I will type over here 1 to 6 also because I have used 6. So 1 to 6. Yes, now fine. Yes, enter your favorite number. Yeah. Okay, so 1. Yes. 1. And then I have to press enter. You are a boring person. Okay. Then 2. You are very lucky. Yes, I am. 3. Your future is bright. Thank you. 4. You will have a punishment today. Okay. Then I will be careful for that. You will enjoy your day today. And 6. You will teach very well today. Oh, thank you. So you can increase the time if you want over here. So it will tell that thing for more, for a little more time. Suppose 3. 3 and 3. Stop it and start it again. 1. You are a boring person. So it's saying 3. It is waiting for 3 seconds. First it was going fast. Now 2. You are very lucky. Thank you. Now it is staying here for a little time so that we can read the sentence if it is a bit big. So this is the overall app, guys. So thanks for watching. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chhavi. Thank you. Bye bye.